Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm shooting a very special video to introduce you to the all-new 2019 Chevy Blazer. Now, this specific Blazer is a premier model, and Apple Chevrolet is offering $2,500 in savings off the MSRP price for all of its customers. Now, this specific Blazer is an all-wheel drive Blazer, and it does come with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It does have our back tinted windows and 20-inch aluminum rims. When we get in this car, we can see that we do have our 8-speaker Bose audio system and jet black leather seating with a tan lining. Now, when we get in this car, you can see that we do have our new digital rear view mirror, heated and cooling seating, a spot to charge our cell phone, and even a Type A and Type C USB port. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.